I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the card and the code. Start by confirming the exact dollar amount so you redeem correctly. Once signed into your Riot account, navigate to the Valorant store or the official redeem page and select the proper region. This matters for currency. Make sure your browser is updated and pop-ups allowed. Then carefully type or paste the code, avoiding spaces. If the code looks damaged, photograph it for support. But first try entry twice to rule out simple typos. Once the code is accepted, you'll convert the credited balance into Valorant points, VP. Choose the VP bundle that uses your full value so you don't lose small leftover amounts. Riot shows conversion rates and occasional bonus percentages. Read them. If the card covers only part of a bundle, you can top up with another method or buy a lower bundle. Make sure to confirm the transaction and watch your VP balance update. This ensures you know exactly what you can spend immediately. Now spend your VP on skins, battle pass, or agents. Pick the item, confirm price in VP, and complete the checkout. Make sure items are available in your region and that your VP covers taxes if applicable. If the code fails to redeem, first retry entry, clear browser cache, or switch to a different device. Region mismatch is a common cause. If problems persist, contact Riot support with a clear photo of the card, the code, receipt, and your account ID so they can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.